Hi everyone. I haven't done a video in quite a long time. I think several months, 2 months. And so I've decided to finally do something. I mean, do a video so I could keep the channel going. So in this video, I will be talking about a free tool that I use for my design. It's called Figma. So especially for people who are starting out, SME owners, I think this is a pretty good tool to use because I use it myself. And you can go on to buy other tools later when you have the money, but when you're starting out, I think it's more wise to look for things that are free, things that are affordable to you. So you can easily like do things like flyers to showcase your types of services or types of products that you're selling. So I'm going to use this software to design a flyer for my Instagram, my business account on Instagram. So I'm going to do this and I'll show you how I do like a basic design of a simple design of the services that I'm selling. All right. So different platforms support different image sizes. For Instagram, we will go with, I think it's important to take note and try to do that because different platforms support different sizes. If you do just get like an image from your computer and just put it up on Instagram, not everything would show. For recommended landscape post, 80 pixels and 566, and we'll work with that. Okay, so I am in Figma now, and to get to Figma, you can just type in figma.com, and that will obviously bring you to Figma, which is the online application that we're using. I already have an account, so that's why I can see all these projects that I've been working on. So I'm just gonna go right in there, click on one of the projects that I've been working on to design my flyers. Okay, so now we are in Figma, and these are some of the designs that I've been working on. And what I want to do now, I want to build a design. I want to make a flyer for my Instagram business account. So we are going to go back to the reference, the image size there. Now Instagram, for Instagram post, we want to work with this size, 1080 by 566 pixels. So I'm going to go back here, add a frame, 1080 by 566. So that should look something like, get all these images like down here and just copy them. So this lines over in the background, the color here, I'll change the color to this, so I can just check the color for the other frame, go back to this frame, on the side there where it says fill out the space there, and that's how it will change the color. Now I'm going to delete that since I've already done that above there. This is what I have already done. So after adding the images, I can resize now and play around with this until I feel like I'm happy with what I see. And this is basically like drawing out. So I had to draw out this image first of all by inserting like another ellipse. It's a circle like that. around with the design like that, and when you think it looks like something you would like, then that you're happy, then you can just download it. There's also one other thing that I'd like to do. I'd like to fix the edge of this frame, so I could just also add a stroke to that. I'll say maybe 10. And when I'm happy, I could just at the bottom there where it says export. If I click on preview there, it shows me what I will be downloading. So I could just export that as a PNG file. Now I'll download that, and now this file is ready to be uploaded to Instagram as like a flyer for the type of services that I'm offering. So that's just like basically that, and that's just basic, very simple design that you can do. I am just doing like shapes and you could add like a really nice image to make it look nice with some even much bigger images. I didn't get to do that and show you in this, but you could play around with that, do whatever you want. But I think the most important thing is the software is free, you know. So especially for SMEs who are starting out, you don't really need to pay any money, you know. Like you don't want to be spending money, especially when you are not yet making enough or a lot of money. So you can save costs by using free software like this, free tools like this. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, you know, remember to subscribe. I'll be making more videos of similar content to help maybe SMEs and PNG. Thank you for watching.